Hello. Today we have a fun job to do. We need to write some sets by listing out all their members inside curly braces. Let's do them one by one. Tabular form is very easy. We just write all the things that belong to the set inside curly braces. We put commas between them. That's it. Whole numbers start from 0 and go on forever. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We use 3 dots at the end to show they never stop. Let's look at each letter in the word football. We see F, O, O, T, B, A, L, L. But wait. The letters O and L come 2 times each. In a set, we write each thing only once. So we don't repeat them. Integers are all the counting numbers, they're negatives, and 0 too. They go on forever in both directions. So we put 3 dots on the left side and 3 dots on the right side. Let's think about all 12 months of the year. Which ones start with the letter J? January, June, and July. Those are the only 3. So we list them in our set. The English alphabet has 26 letters from A to Z. We write a few letters at the start, then 3 dots in the middle, and the last few letters at the end. This shows all 26 letters are in the set. We need numbers that can be split into equal parts of 5, and they must be less than 30. So we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What about 30? Nope, 30 is not less than 30, so we stop at 25. Great job! Here are all 6 sets written in tabular form. Remember, we list all members inside curly braces, we never repeat a member, and we use 3 dots when the list goes on forever. You did amazing.